Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to Daily Code Buffer. In this video of JS Buffer, we are going to see the arrays join method. So join method is used to convert an existing array into a string. So whatever the elements are there inside an array, those elements will be joined together using the comma separator and we will get the result as a string output. So let's see that. Here you can see that we have taken the elements array over here where we have added the 5 elements over here. Now let's use the console method console.log to print it. What we'll be doing over here is we'll just use elements.join method over here, and here you can see that it says adds all the elements of an array into a string separated by a specified separator. So if no separator is specified in this join method, we will get a string using the comma separator. So default is the comma separator. So let's use that and let's run this. So we will just use node join.js. And here you can see that we are getting the data, fire, air, water, earth and space using the comma separated value, that is a string. Now if we want, we can also add the separator over here. So suppose I'm adding comma space separator over here. Let me add couple of more. Let me add dash separator over here. Let me add the pipe separator, and let's add one more separator. We will just separate using an empty string over here. So now let's run this, and here you can see that we are getting the different data. So all these separators are there, right? The default separator is comma separated. We added with comma space separator, we added the hyphen separator, the pipe symbol separator, and if we go with the empty string over here, entire string will be concatenated without any space over here. So this way we can use the join method to join those particular elements into a single string. Now one thing to note over here is this particular separator will be separated between the two elements. So suppose if there are only one element over here, suppose I'm just removing all the elements over here, and if only one element is present over here, then we will just get that particular element. You can see that for every join we are just getting the element over here. And if there is no data, if the array is empty over here, then we will be getting the empty string over here. So you can see that there are 5 strings, but those are empty over here. So this way we can use join methods to convert an existing array into a string using a specified separator. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy coding. Bye bye.